And probably the area that's
Yep.
shown the most interest in this is the growth of HDR, Steve, with the complexities that come with having to deliver both standard dynamic range and high dynamic range. And these workflows have been well documented, through several major events that have taken place recently, and obviously one that's kind of coming up in your neck of the woods this summer. And
Yes.
those operations, we've now added the automatic switching in SDI from 2K to 4K. So for those of you familiar with this in IP, it's now available in SDI, which is going to simplify live production workflows no end, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
The other big
And
challenge, obviously, with the single layer SDR HDR workflow is managing the LUTs and keeping them as simple as possible. So on the Leader Zen series, we've added the capability to store up to 10 LUTs. So depending on who you're working for, which are their LUTs, maybe you're working on a production that requires the BBC's 9C or the NBC Universal LUTs, you can apply them onto the waveform monitor. So the camera shaders continue to work in SDR on a 100 nit display with a 2.4 gamma. And that's the same LUT that's being used on the program output that's taking that HDR image and converting it to SDR.